Hello and welcome. Thanks for joining me. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share with friends and family. And also, if this is your first time here, consider subscribing. I'd love for you to join my YouTube family. And don't forget to click on that bell button so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. So for today's tutorial, you can either use these round decorative balls or pumpkins. And you'll also need 6 of these glass vases, the longer ones, and 3 of the round glass cutting boards. I spray painted my vases white. I tried to use the Crayon spray paint, but it didn't come out very well, so I just used regular flat spray paint, white spray paint. And here I am just showing you the different options that of what you can use to put in between each vase. These are at the local Dollar Tree right now. They're I want to say like spelled jars, and they looked really pretty. Or you could use these decorative balls again, or you can use pumpkins. And I wish I had all the same color pumpkins, but at my local Dollar Tree they didn't have them all the same color. So I ended up just using a variety of colors, but exactly the same shapes. And so for now, that's why I'm going to use them. What you do is add your E6000 and a little bit of hot glue, and then place your pumpkin on top of your vase. Now your second vase, you'll put it upside down, again adding your adhesive. And a little bit of hot glue just so it can stay in place. And you'll flip it upside down, inserting the stem of your pumpkin inside your vase like so. And then set it aside and let it dry for a few hours. Now your second candle holder, you're going to use 3 of the vases. Again, adding your adhesive, placing your pumpkin on top of your vase, making sure it's in the middle, and then doing the same thing as you did with your 2 vases, adding a second vase on the top of your pumpkin upside down so it can cover the stem of your pumpkin. Like so. And now the difference for this one is you'll be adding another pumpkin on top of your second vase. Doing the same process with the third vase, you're going to add it on top of the pumpkin upside down, covering the stem. Just like so. And make sure you let these dry at least a few hours or overnight if possible. And this is the 1 vase stem, candle holder, I'm sorry. And now here I'm just showing you different options of what you can use to place on top of your candle holders to actually hold your candle itself. You can use a square or round mirrors. These I found at my local thrift store, or you can use the glass cutting board, which I opted to use. Now there's a shiny side and a rough side. What I did was use the rough side to glue onto my vase. Adding your adhesive to whichever you want it to be, whatever side you want to be the top part of your vase. And then you go ahead and make sure it's in the center of your cutting board, like so. And then set it aside and let it dry for a few hours again. And you repeat the same process with all 3 of your candle holders. Now for the holidays, I'm going to leave it as is. But after the holidays, I think I'm going to spray paint them all completely silver. Let me know in the comments down below what you'll be doing with your candles. Holders, and here's another option. You can actually add pumpkins to it for the holidays. How cute is that? Till next time, you guys stay blessed. Bye.